I've spent over $30 million on Google Ads to generate more than $150 million in revenue for e-commerce brands in every niche imaginable. Give me the next 2 minutes and I'll show you how I would build a 7-figure Google Ads campaign that gets above a 400% return on ad spend. First, I would build out performance max campaigns that focus on Google shopping ads and that segment products based on one of my top campaign structures, which you can see in the video linked in the description below. I'll do keyword research to find all the best keywords for my products, and then I would make sure those keywords are represented in the product titles in my product feed. I'll also build out search campaigns segmenting brand versus non-brand, and also retargeting campaigns for display and YouTube video. Within my search brand campaign, I'll make sure to run a target ROAS bid strategy and that I'm getting above a 1000% return on ad spend. And if I'm not, I'll review the search terms report and make sure to add as negatives any irrelevant terms. For my non-branded search campaigns, I will scour my PMax search terms and find all the highest quality search terms. I'll make sure that all those terms are added as keywords in search using a single theme ad group structure and highly relevant ad copy per theme. For my retargeting campaigns, I'll run display and YouTube video creatives in separate campaigns. I'll attach my product feed to turn my ad creative into dynamic creative that can show the exact products a user viewed on my store. I'll segment my website visitors so that I can bid higher on my hottest prospects like cart abandoners and bid lower on my coldest prospects like people who only saw the homepage and then bounced. Every week I will review my search terms report and add high quality keywords into my product titles in PMax and into my keywords list in search. I'll also review all my ad creatives every week and pause losers and write new challenges to try and beat my winners. I'll use target ROAS bidding on everything, and every week I'll monitor my impression shares. If my ROAS is on target for a campaign but I'm losing out on impression share due to budget, I'll scale my budget by 25 to 100% per week. If I'm losing impression share due to rank with a ROAS far above target, I will decrease my target ROAS by 25 to 50% per week. Then I'll keep improving my creative, keywords, and product feed each week whilst also scaling my bids and budgets until I've reached the desired scale.